You want to you want to share saved Wi-Fi passwords as a QR code from your iPhone. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So make sure that you updated your device to iOS 18. If you haven't, you probably won't have that feature. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the passwords app, and you're gonna confirm via facial recognition, right? And you're gonna go ahead to your passwords. Let's say, for example, my Wi-Fi passwords, right? And then I'm gonna be able to go to any, I don't know, passwords right here, this one, and I'm gonna be able to show network QR code. And then basically I'm gonna be able to share that to my friends so they can read or scan that QR code, and then they're gonna be able to have the same access as I do into that network. So that's another comment. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.